Meaning of ER.
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 ER. ER can have various meanings depending on the context. It could refer to emergency room, employee relations, entity relationship model, among others. In general, ER is an abbreviation used to represent something that has two or more words. Its purpose is to simplify the expression and make it faster to write and read. In medical contexts, ER refers to emergency room, which is a specialized hospital unit equipped to provide immediate medical care to patients who are suffering from acute injuries or illnesses. In the business world, ER stands for employee relations, which is the process of managing relationships between employees and employers to ensure a productive and harmonious work environment. The entity relationship model, abbreviated as ER, is a conceptual data model used to represent the relationships between entities in a database. Overall, the meaning of ER depends on its context and usage.